Hi everyone, we are about to leave for our trip, but I just wanted to show you really quickly how I pack my car. So, up here we have, I bought this yesterday at Costco. It was a really good deal. I think it was like $13 or $14, but it's an outdoor packable blanket, so that'll just stay in the van all the time. This is just a beach bag with some beach bag things. Binder, got some water, my purse, a tired child. And that's her fidget box when she wins some fidget prizes, and her water. She's got her lap desk and a little backpack and blanket and stuff. And then back here, brought the Instapot. Box of ramen for my ramen child. And then in here I packed 4 separate containers. One is toiletries, hair products. This one is when we are visiting relatives, and then down on, because we're only staying there a couple days, and then down on the bottom is just some extra kitchen things, appliances, things like that. And we're doing a couple little mini overnights at hotels. So each mini hotel I packed one of these little 99-cent bags. So we have 2 up there and then 2 here. So when we get to that place, we just have to grab that. I'll go into the toiletry box. I'll just grab, you know, just a few things for the night. And then in here, these are for my girls' closets for when we stay at the place we're staying for a week. It's kind of like drawers. So I've got like my clothes, the girls' clothes, Colton's clothes. So they're all right in there. And then in here, I have food. So I have some breakfast foods, some kind of like microwave lunch things, snacks. And then down here I have miscellaneous, but mostly it's like Colton's books that he wanted me to bring, his War and Peace and everything. Now, here is our little inside command center. Jocelyn's got all of her little activities and her water. We have the trash bag hooked to the seatbelt for them to use. Jocelyn's tray and her fidget reward box.
Oh my glorious.
The activity bin. This has some all of our cold snacks. We will not go hungry on this trip because these are all of our dry snacks, not just for the road trip to relatives, but I'll go beyond. Got Colton's water. This is a big jug in case we run out of water. We can fill that up. And then in here also I have 6 frozen water bottles. So as they thaw, this is our lunch for today. And that is it. So that is how we kind of pack for the trip. All right, see you later.